Hi, this is Steve Shaw. I'm here with Steve Roby, who's the IT manager here at Kineto Wireless. How are you today, Steve?
I'm doing well, Steve. Thank you.
So we're here to talk a little about Wi-Fi calling. Can you tell us a little about what Kineto does with Wi-Fi calling?
Yes, Steve. We currently have about 40 phones with T-Mobile, and we've actually been an account holder with them for about 2.5 years. And we use Wi-Fi calling extensively for all people that have the phones that are enabled for UMA.
Excellent. Do we use them around the office here? Do you take them internationally? What are the benefits that you've seen?
Right. The benefits that we see are cost savings because phones made over Wi-Fi are not included in our corporate bucket of minutes, and that's true both domestically and internationally. So we see very large cost savings when people use that, and I find that people use it the most either traveling internationally when they're either in the foreign office or many places where there are Wi-Fi hotspots, which are increasing all the time, as you know. Plus the fact that even domestically, there are several employees that work outside of the office and have very poor coverage for any sort of carrier, T-Mobile or any, and they find that they can make calls while working using Wi-Fi.
Oh, so that's interesting. So they can actually use the Wi-Fi to improve the coverage.
Exactly. And we didn't even know about that. We hadn't talked about that with the account manager. Of course, she said, yes, that is one of the benefits. And we find it to be very significant.
Interesting. Any problems or any challenges with making it work?
No, it's amazing how easy it is. The phone automatically connects over a Wi-Fi hotspot if it can find it, once you've paired it, of course, which you only have to do once. And then from then on, if you're in that place, it'll work. It's just amazing.
Well, that's fantastic. Thanks for taking some time to speak with us today.
Okay, thank you, Steve.
Great, thanks.